Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, enable API services, and prepare server script service. Next, create a new server script. This is where you run saving code securely. Require Datastore service and call getDatastore with a clear version name because naming avoids key collisions when you update. Once done, define a consistent key pattern like player user ID and set up basic read/write functions. This gets you into a reliable workflow immediately, rather than tinkering in client code. Now you implement the middle mechanics, robust get and set operations. Use pcall around getAsync and setAsync so your script doesn't crash on Datastore rate limits or outages. When loading, check for nil and apply default values to avoid missing fields. Merge existing data rather than overwrite when possible. For performance, cache player data server-side and batch saves on intervals or when key events occur, because throttling reduces risk of 429 errors and keeps your game responsive as player counts grow. To finish, wire saves to player removing and a periodic autosave loop so data persists reliably. Make sure to clear caches after save to prevent memory leaks. If you hit errors, implement retries with exponential backoff and log enough context to debug keys and values. This helps you diagnose 429 or 500 responses. Finally, test with Studio API services enabled and simulate multiple joins. If nothing saves, check that API services is on and that your keys are consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.